What's the meaning of corrective? Corrective. Corrective.
Corrective. Corrective. The term corrective refers to actions or measures taken to rectify or improve a situation that has gone awry or is not functioning optimally. These actions are aimed at identifying problems or weaknesses in a system, process, or behavior and taking steps to address and correct them. The result of corrective measures is the restoration or achievement of the desired level of performance, efficiency, or effectiveness. Corrective actions can include modifications, adjustments, or interventions that aim to prevent recurrence of the problem or mitigate the impact of its consequences.